Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a laptop. This model number is Dell latitude 6420 model, and this laptop you can see Windows is loading. After that you can see the blue screen and it will be take restart. If you have blue screen to your laptop, any model laptop, so how can you fix this problem? Now I will show you. Let's show how to fix this problem. You can see the blue screen this inside the video. So you have to turn off your laptop first and then press the power key, long press, and turn off, and then turn on and press the F2 for the BIOS setup. Dell laptop or any other laptop also you can press the BIOS setup. So I press the BIOS setup for F2 and going to the BIOS option. You can see this is the model number is latitude E6420 model number, and go to the system, system configuration, and go down. First of all you have to check here the boot sequence. If you install Windows on the legacy boot, so you have to make this legacy boot. If you install the Windows on UEF boot, you have to tick mark in the UEF boot. Now I'm going to the option, this SATA option. You can see the SATA option, and here you can see the red board, red one, RAID, red one. Or if you install Windows on this option, okay, if you install the AHCSI option, you have to select this. So before I have to install Windows on this option, so sometime this take the restore automatically, and default setup coming the BIOS, that's why it's automatic change. So I have to set up this option. Okay, this option you always have to set up this option. If you want to install Windows XP or Windows 7, you can use this ATA option. So after that I have to press apply. Okay, you have to see, and this boot sequence I have to install UEFI boot. So all I have done, and press exit. Now you will see the laptop will be work automatically Windows 10, no have any issue. So after tech restart, and now it always giving the charger warning. So now loading the Windows, and I hope have no problem. So this way you can fix your laptop. Any laptop have BIOS problem like this, the blue screen. Sometime for this BIOS setup the blue screen is coming, sometime for the hard disk problem, sometime the Windows damage, sometime RAM have issue, that's why coming that blue screen. So if you have like this option is all model laptop, you can change the BIOS to AHCI boot to RAID 1, so Radeon to AHCI boot. So Dell laptop, this way you can fix. And if you see my video can help you, thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for next video notification. And you can see this laptop is totally working perfectly. So thank you guys, please stay with me, and thank you again. See you another video.